So good morning guys, we are on the way to Ama Yangri, peak with beautiful people from America.
Hey.
We started walking 30 minutes earlier. The light just came up. Yeah, we will hike all the way up. So now we arrived here at Ama Yangri peak. As you can see, it is Sangdo Palri. They having Green Burche. And so I will show you the view. So yeah, we made it. Enjoy the view guys. Thank you.